Find the best carpet cleaner on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best carpet cleaners on the market. 1. Bissell 78H63 Deep Clean Pro 4X Carpet Cleaner Solution. Formulated specifically for use in upright carpet cleaners and powerful enough to tackle heavily soiled areas and stubborn stains, it's not hard to see why the Bissell 78H63 Deep Clean Pro Carpet Shampoo is our best choice of the carpet cleaning solutions. The cleaning power is delivered by professional-grade active ingredients, but because it does not contain any phosphates, dyes, optical brighteners or heavy metals, it is completely safe to use in areas frequented by children and pets. The detergents in the formula are biodegradable, making this the eco-friendly choice. This carpet cleaner can also be used on rugs and upholstery and is highly effective at removing odors as well as dirt. It enhances the performance of your cleaning machine and leaves your carpet with the ongoing protection of Scotch-Guard stain protection. 2. Folex Carpet Cleaner Solution. For spot cleaning stains on carpets and rugs when you need instant results, the Folex Carpet Spot Remover is an essential product for you to keep on standby in your cupboard. Importantly, you can apply it to any color-fast carpets, rugs, or upholstery without worrying that it will strip the color or leave a sticky residue. This is the best carpet cleaning solution for stains caused by red wine, coffee, and ink. It is also highly effective at removing blood stains and stains caused by those little accidents that pets can have from time to time. It is suitable to use by hand and is supplied in a spray bottle for ease of application. For larger jobs when you need to tackle grimy high-traffic areas on a carpet, you can use it in a carpet cleaning machine. There is no rinsing or vacuuming needed with this stain remover, you just rub it in with your fingers and blot or use the draw tube on your cleaning device. 3. Bissell Professional Oxy Carpet Cleaner Solution. For visible stains caused by your pet and just as importantly, pet odors, this Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator has a deep cleaning formula of active ingredients. This carpet cleaning solution contains no heavy metals or dyes and has been awarded the Safer Choice label by the US EPA, which means that it is safe for homes where children and pets live. Formulated for use in an upright carpet cleaning machine, this cleaning solution permanently removes stains and odors, and thanks to the stain protect ingredient, pets are discouraged from using the carpet as a toilet again. Stains caused by urine, feces, and vomit will be eliminated, and it will even rid your home of powerful skunk urine odor. It's also highly effective at removing grass, food, and blood stains caused by the human members of the family. 4. Hoover Paws and Claws Deep Cleaning Carpet Shampoo. For pet owners who need a deep-down carpet clean and a fresh, bright odor, the Hoover Paw and Claws solution is what you have been looking for. This is the best carpet cleaning solution for delivering the intense enzymatic cleaning performance needed to tackle animal urine, feces, and vomit stains, and for eliminating the lingering odors that they cause. By breaking down the problem substances adhering to carpet fibers, it works on both the odor and visible marks. You apply this carpet cleaning solution using an upright machine, and it can be used on all carpets, stairs, and upholstery in the home as well as vehicle interiors after completing a patch test for color fastness. It leaves you with a fresh smell throughout your home, and your carpets will be protected by Stain Guard to help prevent future marks. 5. OxiClean Large Area Carpet Cleaner. The best carpet cleaning solution for large areas of carpet needs to be reasonably priced, efficient, and versatile enough to use in any carpet cleaning machine. That is exactly what you get with the OxiClean Large Area Carpet Cleaner. Using this cleaning solution, you can deep clean every carpet fiber over your whole home and tackle localized stains caused by wine, coffee, and food by pre-treating the affected area. It's provided in a large 64 fluid ounce bottle, and it should be used in accordance with the machine manufacturer's recommendations for dilution. It refreshes the whole carpet and makes it look like new. 6. Hoover CleanPlus Concentrated Solution Formula. A highly concentrated solution with a distinctive fragrance and powerful cleaning performance. The Hoover CleanPlus Concentrated Solution Carpet Cleaner and Deodorizer is supplied in a 64 fluid ounce bottle, but you only need half the volume of most carpet detergents to get the job done, making it highly cost-effective. It can be used on upholstery and carpets in both the home and car, and will remove general dirt and grime whilst leaving a fresh linen scent. This detergent can also remove stains caused by red wine, grass, and sodas. 7. Sunny and Honey Carpet Miracle Concentrated Machine Shampoo. Suitable for all leading carpet cleaner machines, including Hoover and Bissell, and for cleaning carpets and upholstery inside the home and in the car. The Carpet Miracle Concentrated Machine Shampoo is a versatile household detergent. It returns carpets to their original appearance and soft texture. All water-safe rugs and carpets can be treated with biodegradable and non-toxic formulation. It can remove pet stains and marks caused by food spillages, yet is totally safe for homes where there are children or pets. 8. Aqua Home Group Luxury Filtered Shower Head Set. Hard water, chlorine, and other heavy metals found in water will never cause you problems again thanks to this 15-stage water filter shower head. The Aqua Home Group Luxury Filtered Shower Head Set purifies water and adds vitamin C and E, giving you a deep, nourishing cleanse which leaves skin and hair feeling soft. The compact head comes in a minimalist design with chrome finishing for a high-quality feel without taking up lots of space. Despite the fixed, wall-mount head, you can still receive full body coverage thanks to the tilt-adjustable head. 9. Delta Faucet 7 Spray Touch Clean Handheld Shower Head with Hose. The Delta Faucet 7 Spray Touch Clean Handheld Shower Head with Hose boasts some truly impressive features, yet comes at a budget-friendly price. The handheld shower head features 7 spray options ranging from a powerful massage jet to a light rain setting. With the powerful jets, you can easily massage sore muscles, or you can use the Paws setting to make shaving easy and hassle-free. Thanks to the chrome finish shower head and hose, this appliance looks great while doing a good job too. For that reason, we think it's one of the best low-flow shower heads. 10. Dream Spultra Luxury Rainfall Shower Head, Handheld Combo. The Rainfall Shower Combo from Dream Spa does what the brand name suggests. This Dream Spultra Luxury Rainfall Shower Head, handheld combo promises ultimate relaxation and comfort with both the rainfall and handheld shower heads. The 3 spray options include powerful rain, aeration massage, and luxurious waterfall, so you can pick the best setting depending on the mood. And, although it's low flow, you can easily remove the flow limiter to get higher water pressure if you need it. You get even more customization options thanks to the adjustable angle of the shower head, helping you get the coverage you need and want. As the large rain shower head comes in metal and the entire unit features a premium chrome finish, you can expect a high-quality device that looks as good as it feels. What's even better is the reasonable price tags which rival many other premium appliances on the market. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.